Hi everyone, I hope you are doing good and you also enjoyed my last video regarding the tag exploration in Flynt theme, which is the starters theme on WordPress, which will give you 100 out of 100 performance. And in today's video, I will show you how you can install Flynt on your local environment, right? But before we dive in this new technology, we also need to require to download like WordPress on our local machine, and there will be a one application which is required to start WordPress environment. For that, we are using application called local WP. You just need to go to and just search for local WP, right? And it will open up the new window. You can just click on download for free and you just need to install which platform are you using. I am on window right now. Just click on window and it will ask you a couple of detail and then it just click on get it now. I already have those installation on my system, that's why I don't require to install it again, but it will ask you a couple of question. After you just click on yes, and it will download on your local site. Right now I'm using a multiple site. When you click on the local, it will open up the application and then you just need to click on the add local site. Just click on create new site, or if you already have those WordPress website, just click on this and select a zip folder. But in this I will show you the complete setup for WordPress theme and how you can install Flynt theme on your WordPress. I would like to go with this functionality right now. Create a new site, just click on continue and then you need to decide your what's your site name. I will say Flynt WordPress theme, right? And if you want to select some advanced option, you can go with this, but I don't want to change this one because it's my local environment. And then if you want to change the directory path, you can also change it from here, but I would like to go with this simple thing and just click on continue. And there will be a different option for your environment, like if you want to change the PHP version or if you want to change the web server. And you can also have different kind of option available on the database side, like if you want MariaDB, MySQL, whatever you prefer. I would like to go with the preferred one. Just click on next and then it will ask you like WordPress username. I will say Flynt and then it will ask the password Flynt123. Just click on yes and then you can select add site, right? And it will start downloading like some of the services WordPress installation, and there will be like database. It will take couple of minutes and it will ask you like permission, just allow it and then it will take some time to install WordPress. So in the meantime we can also go to and check out the Flynt theme installation. You just don't need to do anything, just click on Flynt WordPress and it will open up website, and there will be a two-way to download it. Just click on here. What you can do, either you can do like download zip from here, and there is also another option available for you to do like what you can do like git clone. And here you see my website, it started. But before we click on anything, I will show you how you can do like one click admin. So just click on one click admin and then you need to select the admin from here. So it won't ask you password as well as email from you. You just click need to WP admin and here you go. Your WordPress theme is live on your local site, right? Are you happy guys? Let's jump into how you can do like Flynt installation. uh, I already told you like there is a two way you can do, but I would like to go with like npm packages installation, and for that I would like to go with git clone option, which is much easier, right? Before you go over there, I will just need to show you how the WordPress structure look like. Just click on go to site folder and it will, let me bring my screen over here, and then you see the Flynt WordPress theme, right? Just click on application, then public, and there will be a three file called wp admin wp content, and there is another extra file which is wp include. Is here it's include everything which is required for to start the WordPress theme. And for theme installation we need to go like wp content, then theme, sorry, theme, and here you just need to select this part, open up the VS Code terminal, and then just click on new terminal, and then just what you can open up the terminal over here. And first of all you just need to open the folder. I will just paste your path over here, click on enter, and just select the folder, right? And now we already copied that link to git clone. You just need to do git clone, and then we need to paste the link, right? Just press on enter key and it will start cloning your website with the Flynt. And here you see the Flynt is already installed, but for that I will show you the documentation. So we need to follow that documentation step by step. First of all, just do the composer install. uh, okay, composer install. It will start downloading some of the packages, right? But for that, sorry, we need to change the file over here because we are on the different theme right now. Just do cd Flynt, and then you need to do composer install, right? It will download some of the packages from the composer side which is required for the PHP and other configuration. And after this finish we also need to download like node packages from the npm, because here you see the packet.json file. So some of the script which is required and some of the dependency which is required by the Flynt theme, and we need to install it from node packages, right? Just give couple of minutes, and here we go. Just clear the terminal and again click on npm install, and it will download the all the node packages which is required. Here you see the node modules, right? So we are done with this step, and then we also need to start the environment by npm start. Okay, just start npm start. I know it will throw some error, but let's see. No, it's automatic created the dist folder which is production file. And let's jump into this new WordPress website, and here you see the appearance themes, and there will be a Flynt theme, right? We just need to activate this theme, and here you see the new theme activated, and Flynt is missing required plugin. Basically the theme is totally based on the advanced custom field. We also need to download it because I already have the pro version. So you need to go like advanced custom field, and then you need to create an account, and then you can download it from here. But I already have those plugin on my file. What I am gonna do, just click on this one, and there will be another option called the upload plugin, and I already downloaded from my account. Just click on open and then start installing. So plugin installed successfully. You just need to click on activate plugin, and your plugin is activated and your Flynt theme is also working on your front end. So this all the steps that you need to follow to start like Flynt theme on your WordPress. And I will also show you in the next video like how you can create the component and how we can play with this new WordPress Flynt theme. But I will just show you like how you can create the components. Here you see there will be different components, which is component based structure, so it's easy for us and our code will look like more clear and concise. So we don't need to go like in different file. If we create a, like different components, for example, if you want to fetch some news from different website, you can create a component for that. So whenever you don't need to go through look through each file, and it will easy for us to maintain our code base and cleaner code base. That's pretty much it about this video. If you guys have any question, feel free to reach out to me via comment. And if you like my video, just hit on like button, and if you are new to my channel, please hit on the subscribe button to get more information about new technology. Bye bye, see ya, have a good one.